This is my recommendation of how to pack your sanitized bin. I would put it in this order. I like to have my hand sanitizer on top, so it's the first thing I put out on my station, so that when I take it out, I can sanitize my hands and act accordingly. Next thing on your list is your 3-bag system, your soiled linens, your trash, your to be disinfected. Then it's your universal tools, first aid, gloves, and the Cavicide wipes. I like to put about 3 towels, then my soapy water, then I line up my services like that. So the proctor has told you that you can set up for your first service. Here's why I pack in the order I do. You're gonna open this up. You're gonna take out your Germex. Never leave your bin open. I know you're gonna go right back in it, doesn't matter. Take out your Germex, make sure it's an actual open one, that'll make your life better. Give yourself some sanitation. Now, I'm gonna go back into my bin. I'm gonna take out my 3 bags. And I'm going to set them up. Take a second, you've got 15 minutes to do this. Don't set your trash bags on the table, however. Make sure you don't do that. Now your bags are in place, good to go. Sanitize your hands again. Yes. Again. And then you open up your bin. You're going to take out your universal supplies. This may look different for your state boards. First aid kit is in a situation. Barbicide. Gloves. I would take this and I would put it in the trash. And I would sanitize my hands. I'm going to first take out a pair of gloves because we always need to wear gloves when we are using the Lucaside wipes. And I am about to sanitize and prepare my station. Gloves are on. Sanitize again, because why not? Probably don't need to at this moment, but I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna take out my Lucaside wipe. Just one. Close it. Unfold it. Wipe down your area. Throw this in the trash. Sanitize your hand, because why not? Even though you were just touching Lucaside. I realize. But when in doubt, sanitize. Taking out another wipe. I am obviously closing this. Even if you have the big container, you would want to obviously close it. My leukocyte wipe. I'm going to wipe down my Germ-X. Yes, I am. And then I'm going to set that over there. All my universal supplies. My container of leukocyte wipes, whatever that looks like. My container of gloves, whatever that looks like. If it's the box, improvise. Your first aid kit. Sanitize all over. Throw this away. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna sanitize. Now, you get yet another leukocyte wipe. I see some of you guys hugging this bag to your chest to close it. I would refrain from doing that. Hugging any of the bags to close it is not a good idea. Just close it, obviously. Okay. Leukocyting the other half of this table that I didn't wipe down yet. Make your motions obvious. Make sure that they see you. Throw this away. What are we going to do even though all we've been handling is sanitized things? We're going to sanitize because we just threw something away. Now, everything is sanitized. I can set up these things right where I would like them to be. I prefer it to my right. Before I get into my bin, I want to remove my gloves. Throw them away and sanitize my hands. This makes it very obvious to the proctor that you know to sanitize your hands before you get into your bin. When you get into your bin, please be purposeful to always close as you go. It's going to seem very redundant, really crazy on the Germ-X, but this is what we're doing. I'm grabbing now my soapy water. Practice that, a little coordination required. Soapy water and all the things that I need to set up my manicure. I'm gonna sanitize my hands again because why not? I like a towel this way. Don't roll this up against your chest. Put it out away from you. Set your towel out. I'm going to sanitize again because why not? I'm reaching into a bag and that just feels right. So, get into your bag. Set up your hand. And now you're adding to some of your universal tools. Want to make sure that the proctor can see everything you're using, labeled clearly. Scoop. Now I want my nail brush. And my anything metal that we sanitize needs to come out of a closed container that says sanitize implements. I'm going to take all that out. I'm going to close this bag. I'm not going to close it against my body. I am throwing this in the trash, and since I got into the trash, I'm going to sanitize my hands. I know that I want this set up a little differently. This is where I'm going to take the time to do that. I'm going to put my soapy water over here. I know I want to take this out of its wrapper. I know I want 3 orange wood sticks at least that don't have covers on them. 3 that do. At least. You can always go back in for extra supplies. My buffer, my file. I want my immediate things here. Just for good measure, I'm going to sanitize again. And I'm going to take these wrappers off. Believe it or not, I have seen someone use their teeth during one of their tests to open things. Don't do that. I'm going to throw these away. I'm going to sanitize. And then I'm going to take out my nippers out of my sanitized implement bag. And I'm going to sanitize one more time. Now I'm going to let the proctor know I'm all set